Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change your name in Clash Royale. Changing your name in Clash Royale is simple, but there are a few key things to know before you do it. Your very first name change is completely free, but after that, each change will cost gems, starting at 500, and the price increases with every rename. Keep in mind, names must follow Supercell's rules, meaning no offensive, inappropriate, or impersonation names, or your account may be forced renamed. To actually change it, tap the three-bar menu at the top right of your screen, then head into Settings. There, you see the Change Name option. Select it, type in your desired name, and confirm it twice. Since the game asks you to re-enter it for accuracy, once confirmed, your new name will appear across battles, clans, and leaderboards. Just remember, once you change it, your old name is gone unless you rename it again, so choose wisely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.